You know the old frustrating saying, right? Garbage in, garbage out. That ancient wisdom absolutely defines how we talk to voice AI. It's important to understand how an AI agent gathers and understands information. Think of your AI as a powerful but empty vessel. It doesn't inherently know your industry, your customers, or your specific business rules. It learns everything it needs to know only through the text you provide. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because the 6 principles I'm about to show you are the foundation of every solid, reliable AI prompt you will ever build. If your virtual agent isn't acting the way you expected, let's be honest, it's probably not the AI's fault. It's actually responding to exactly what you told it, or more often, what you didn't tell it inside the prompt. Think of it this way. AI is a brilliant but literal student. It doesn't read between the lines, it won't infer missing details, and it certainly can't figure out your entire business from just a sentence or two. It simply follows the complete, detailed world you built for it. So before we even touch your first background block, you need to understand the 6 fundamental principles that drive every truly high-performing AI prompt. Let me break them down and make this simple. Okay, principle number 1, context is king. The more context you generously hand the AI, the more accurate the output will be, period. Most people give AI vague, half-complete instructions and then just expect it to guess the rest. But AI doesn't guess well. It fills those frustrating gaps with the wrong industry, the wrong terminology, the wrong tone, the wrong assumptions, the wrong questions. Your essential job, define the world your AI operates in like a director setting a scene. Who is speaking? Who do they represent? Who are they talking to? What is the clear final goal? How should it behave? In other words, the personality. What should it absolutely avoid? When the AI truly understands its world, it performs exactly the way you intend it. Now, this is the bedrock of your background block. Okay, principle 2, iterative refinement. Don't be afraid to tweak it. Let's shatter a myth. Great prompts are never created in one shot. They are polished, tightened, and refined over time. You'll take a swing, write a version, and then you test it and you see what happens. Tighten the instructions a little bit based on the test, refine the guardrails and constraints, adjust the core logic, and you test again. Prompt engineering is a process, not a single event. The folks who get the best, most consistent results aren't just better writers, they're better iterators. All right, principle 3, examples and constraints. Show, don't just tell it. This is simple. Examples shape the AI's behavior. Constraints prevent expensive, embarrassing mistakes. If you clearly show the AI what good looks like, perfect answer, what bad looks like, what to avoid, and the exact format you expect, it becomes reliable and predictable. When you specifically add constraints like, if uncertain, ask a clarifying question, do not guess or invent data, follow this exact structure for the response. The AI immediately stops hallucinating and stays perfectly aligned with your business goals. Okay, principle 4, role playing and chain of thought. Tell the AI who it is. AI performs dramatically better when you tell it who it is and specifically how to think. If the AI truly believes it is a friendly virtual assistant, a lead intake specialist, a dedicated scheduler, or an expert financial advisor, it will filter all of its own decisions through that assigned identity. Now, when you add chain of thought guidance, you're telling it to slow down and be logical. Think step by step before answering. Use the caller's answers to determine the next logical question. Follow the established business rules before formulating a response. This guidance increases the logical quality of the output immensely. Your role section is absolutely non-negotiable. It is critical. Okay, principle 5, prompt engineering is just good communication. Let's be clear, prompt engineering is not coding, it's communication. You're not programming an AI with cryptic syntax. You're simply explaining a scenario clearly and simply to a very smart colleague. Clear instructions lead to clear output. Confusing instructions lead to confusing output. Your prompt is the complete story, the rules, the boundaries, the goals, the personality. If you communicate well, the AI behaves well. It's that simple. Okay, principle 6. Structure creates consistency. Embrace the framework. If you don't give the AI a solid structure, guess what? It will create its own structure. Trust me, you won't like the results. Your business prompt needs to be repeatable, predictable, consistent, and stable. Now, that only happens when you use a structured framework. Your background block forces you to give the AI all the necessary details: identity, industry, tone, role, service area, hours, caller types, main outcomes, and core logic. Structured inputs always produce structured, reliable behavior. These 6 principles are the absolute foundation of every single effective AI prompt. Now, once you truly grasp how AI thinks, everything becomes easier and faster. Your voice AI behaves reliably. Your chat agent responds accurately. Your automations become predictable. And the prompt you write start working the first time, not the 10th. Now you understand the basics behind good prompt building. You're ready to write the background block itself. Let's move into the next module.